Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. Now today we are going to be, I got the first part right here for the 3D printer right here, and these are all aluminum parts. Here they are right here. It's all, I got red because I really like the color red, and kind of does not even look like red, it looks like pink. But oh well, maybe I can change that up a little bit. But either though, here's the first part right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. This is actually for the other printer that I'm using, but I cannot really put that on until I get this right here done and when it's off. So that way I can replace the part that's on there. I mean, it's plastic, but I might just end up having a little spare right here. But I think what we're going to be doing next is we're going to go ahead and put some of the add-ons to this, which basically I'm still waiting for, but I'm going to go ahead and include it into this video. Should be here in about a couple days, hopefully. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and I'll catch you guys in a sec. Hey, what's happening, guys? Another couple more weeks has passed, and I just got done doing some upgrades right now. I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the old units that I used to have on this thing. Now, as for my Ender 3 right here, this is now in full working condition right now. I haven't turned it on yet. It's not yet plugged in, but I want to go ahead and show you guys some of the new units that I actually have with this thing. So, let's get started. Now, what I happen to got here is the old unit right here. This is the old busted unit right there. I just happen to keep it just for spare parts. The reason why I'm keeping it for spare parts, because you may never even know. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the new unit that I actually got for the thing. So there is the new one right there. I still have to take out the old unit right there, so that will no longer be working. So I got to take this off right here, which this is busted. But this here is no longer in use, but this is the brand new one. And you see it is attached to right here, and there is the little tube that goes into there. So this is why I want this. Because one, the filament right here, it can easily go down, it won't get dragged or nothing. Also, I also added a belt tensioner on here, which basically I got to tension this up right now because I forgot to do that. But that is all done. So I added a new belt tensioner and this right here. Now another thing is this right here. Now you do remember that the old one had these clamps right in here. No more. If it has a high powerful magnet holding this into place, and just set it on there, clips right on. Very excellent. I'm very happy of the way this actually came out. This is ready to be going, so I can go ahead and get some prints started. Also, you kind of do remember when I did show you in a little bit later earlier in the video that I happened to got a red one that was metal. I happened to go ahead and put that right onto this, and it works a heck of a lot better. I'm very happy with the results. But also, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to the new member of the family for Josh Customs. I got the new Ender 5 Plus. This one has a bigger board right here. I can print out bigger prints like that right there, instead of me printing out small details. Which also you can actually see of how big of a progress this actually is. Very nice, huh? I still got about 4 more parts to do, and this right here will be done, and I'll be able to get paid. So, how long would this actually take me? Not as long. Basically, about 12 more hours. This thing will here will be done. I can't wait. Now, the reason why I'm not in here exactly as a lot, I happen to have a bit of a situation here, and here is the reason why. Crypto is sick. He's not feeling so good. He got into something and it's not agreeing with his stomach. He did puke it up. I can say that. But, I mean, he's still not doing so good. I mean, he's still a little bit woozy. He's still a little bit have an upset stomach and all. But he's still doing better. But we're going to be taking him to the vet pretty soon. Hopefully he'll be okay, which I'm pretty sure he will be fine. I know what made him sick. I'm not going to go ahead and give you I'm going to spare you guys the full details and let you guys know what will be going on with Crypto. But hopefully, I know Crypto will be okay. He's a strong dog. He's my child. He means everything in the world to me. Basically, if I didn't have YouTube and if I didn't have Crypto or have YouTube or basically anything, I wouldn't even be here right now. I really don't care right now of living. Now, the reason why Crypto means so much world to me, he brings me so much joy and love and comfort. And if I have a bad day at work, he's always there to cheer me up. He's always a loyal dog. He's always... Basically, I don't like to use the term dog because that I really don't like. When someone says, oh, well, I don't... Well, he's your dog. He's just your dog. No, he's more than just a dog. He is my child. He's my best friend. He's going to be there till the day I die, or when I'll be there till the day he dies. I will always be there for him. That's how much I love him. I'll do anything to protect him or anything in the world. But also, I want to go ahead and include this video guys right now. I hope you guys enjoy the video and also keep your hopes and prayers for Crypto right there. And also, this right here is ready to rock and roll. And now I have 2 working printers right now. And also, the third one here, I'm just going to leave in the box right now because I got no room for it. But I will leave that to another video right there. I will unbox this, put this together, and try this out. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And also hit that like button. And take care of you guys and stay safe out there. And I'll kiss you next time.